week we've got a fun one. It's a Malaysian Kaya, which is a coconut jam. So let's get to work. To start, I've got my vanilla scented sugar. I'm going to start that heating in the pan, along with some turbinado sugar, or you can use palm sugar. Give my egg yolks a little mix. Get the sugar heating up, and then add the coconut milk. A little bit of fine sea salt. If you have pandan leaves, you can add that for a little extra flavor at this point too. I'm going to add my egg yolks to a bigger bowl so that I can temper them. Some of the heated liquid. That way they won't curdle when I add them into the coconut milk. So I'm going to mix just a little bit in. And then add it back into the coconut mixture. And I'll just heat and whisk this until it starts thickening up really well. Yeah, it's starting to thicken up pretty good now. I'll let it go a bit longer. And there we go. Our coconut jam ready to use. We can serve that hot or cold. And it's going to thicken up some more as it cools too. So that version of the coconut jam is pretty easy to whip up. A lot of times they normally take around an hour or so. This one's really good. It's really tasty. Great on some pancakes or some toast. So I hope you give it a try. Until next time, thanks for watching.